Want to make money online in 2025? Here are 5 real ways to start, but don't expect overnight results. Stick with it and you'll see progress. First, freelancing. Offer skills like writing, design, or video editing on Fiverr or Upwork. Start small, get reviews, and gradually increase your rates. It's slow at first, but it grows fast with consistency. Next, affiliate marketing. Share products you actually use and earn a commission for every sale. Amazon and ClickBank are easy to start. Don't expect big money immediately. Focus on building trust. Third, create digital products. Ebooks, templates, or mini courses can sell repeatedly online. Make it once, share it consistently, and your income grows over time. Fourth, YouTube automation. Use AI voice and stock footage to make faceless videos. Post regularly and monetize with ads or sponsorships. Growth is gradual, but results are real. Finally, remote jobs. Companies hire virtual assistants, customer support agents, and marketers online. The income is steady, but you need patience and persistence to land the right role. Those are 5 real ways to make money online in 2025. It won't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent, you can start earning. Subscribe for more actionable money tips.